Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy.
Väderstad Tempo L16-24 is a high-performance precision planter that can plant various crops at high speed. It has a central fill function that reduces the filling time and increases the capacity. It can work up to 24 rows wide and has a pneumatic downforce system that ensures uniform depth control. Vermeer SC1052 is a stump cutter that can maximize your crew's time and efficiency on the job site. It has a 115 horsepower Origin gas engine and the exclusive Vermeer cutting system that optimizes the cutting performance and extends the teeth life. It can cut up to 31 inches high and 25 inches below the surface. It also has a smart sweep control system that provides a smooth and consistent cutter wheel sweep rate and an operator presence system that enhances safety. This machine is a smart and powerful solution for any stump removal project. Vernig V70 Tree Disc Mulcher is another attachment for a mini excavator that can mulch trees and vegetation up to 14 inches in diameter and grind stumps below grade. It has a 60 or 72-inch cutting width disc and a high-torque piston motor. It also has a fully machined disc with interchangeable bolt-on teeth and an anti-wrap drum plate. Solmec 5035 is a material handler that is designed for heavy-duty rehandling of scrap metal, timber, waste, and port loading. It has a power range of 200 to 300 horsepower and a working depth of 300 millimeter. It can be fitted with different rotors and cutters depending on the material and conditions. The Univerco V1 Onion Digger or Onion Windrower. This is a machine that can dig, collect, and arrange onions from the fields. Onions are a type of vegetable that can be used for various purposes, such as food, medicine, and spice. It has a powerful engine, a hydraulic system, and a digger that can dig up to 1 row of onions in one pass. It also has a user-friendly control system that provides easy and precise operation, and a safety system that protects the operator and the machine. This machine can be used for various onion harvesting purposes, such as food production, export, and consumption. It is a fast and efficient machine that can harvest onions. The BMV DFR 470D. This is a disc harrow that can harrow various surfaces, such as soil, sand, and gravel. Harrowing is a process of breaking and loosening the soil to improve its drainage, aeration, and structure. It has a powerful engine, a hydraulic system, and a disc that can harrow up to 470 millimeters deep and 500 millimeters wide in one pass. It also has a user-friendly control system that provides easy and precise operation, and a safety system that protects the operator and the machine. This machine can be used for various harrowing purposes, such as agriculture, landscaping, and gardening. It is a precise and productive machine that can create a smooth surface. Bomag BC 1173 is a refuse compactor that can compact and crush different types of landfill waste materials. It has a weight of 56.3 tons and a 430 kilowatts engine. It also has a polygon disc wheel with premium teeth that can handle hard and abrasive materials. It has a variable track and a swivel seat for better maneuverability and visibility. Brack C16 is an accumulating felling head for silviculture and biomass applications. It can be attached to harvesters, forwarders, and other machines equipped with a boom or crane. It has a high accumulating capacity and a unique patented cutting solution that uses a saw chain. It is suitable for mechanized felling of saplings, thinning, corridor clearing, and biomass harvesting. Breel 29 is a robust and reliable machine that can mow grass and hay in steep and uneven terrain. It has a maximum power output of 29 horsepower and a maximum working width of 6.2 meters. It features a 4-wheel drive, a hydrostatic transmission, and a flexible mowing bar. It can cope with slopes of up to 45 degrees and obstacles such as rocks or trees. The CAT 16 GC motor grader is a machine designed for haul road maintenance and major construction projects. It is built from proven components from the CAT 16H and 16 and offers reliable operation with a lower acquisition price, reduced owning and operating costs, and increased fuel economy. The machine is well balanced to help you get full drawbar power to the ground and features an in-cab display that gives operators quick, easy access to critical machine information. Optional equipment includes rippers, guarding, and a ground-level fast fill system. TBI 7544 is a flail debarker and disc chipper combo that offers a standalone solution for professionals who need high-quality chip production and maximum debarking. It has a CAT C32 engine that delivers 1,200 horsepower and a 75-inch diameter chipper disc that can produce up to 150 tons per hour of uniform wood chips. The CBI 7544 also has a flail drum with 3 or 4 flails that can remove bark and dirt from logs and branches. The machine features a full opening clamshell-style rotor housing that allows for easy access and maintenance. The Claas-Arion 400, a multi-purpose farming tractor that can handle baling, ploughing, spraying, and transport work. This tractor is designed to meet every possible requirement and can be customized with different blades, track shoes, and horsepower options. The Claas Disco 4400 is a rear-mounted mower with a working width of 4.20 meter. It has a max cut mower bed, which provides smooth running and low power requirements. It also has a fine cut cutter bar, which delivers excellent cutting quality and fast regrowth. It has a compact vector folding system, which enables safe road transport and vertical parking. Colombo Avanti C360 is a single rotor combine that can harvest crops such as wheat, barley, oats, rye, and triticale. It has an axle leveling system that improves its cleaning capacity and stability on slopes. It can also switch between different cutting discs and knives for dry or green pruning of trees and shrubs. The Ditch Witch at 120. This is a trencher that can dig, lay, and backfill various materials such as pipes, cables, and wires. It has a powerful engine, a hydraulic system, and a trencher that can dig up to 1,200 millimeters deep and 300 millimeters wide in one pass. It also has a user-friendly control system that provides easy and precise operation, and a safety system that protects the operator and the machine. This machine can be used for various trenching purposes, such as utility installation, irrigation, and drainage. It is a precise and productive machine that can create a trench. Ecorobotics Avo is a solar-powered weeding robot that is designed for sustainable and precise weed control. It has a 12-volt battery and a 2.5-meter working width. It has a vision system that detects and locates weeds and a spraying system that applies herbicide only where needed. It has a lightweight design that reduces soil compaction and a user-friendly interface that allows for remote monitoring and control. EFFER 2255 is a truck-mounted crane that offers exceptional lifting capacity and outreach. It has a hydraulic system that can make real-time adjustments based on the load and the environment, and a progress electronic system that ensures high safety standards. It can be equipped with a KG system that allows changing the crane configuration from 8-second to 10-second for a vertical reach of almost 35 meters. It can also be mounted on a crawler for rough terrain. FarmDroid FD20 is a self-sufficient field robot that automates sowing and weed removal in an environmentally friendly way. It is powered by solar panels and has a GPS system that marks the placement of the crops at sowing and performs mechanical weeding between and within the rows. It can work on crops such as beetroots, rapeseed, and different herbs. The Finlay TF50 Leaders. This is a low-level feeder that can feed various materials such as soil, sand, gravel, and wood. Feeding is a process of transferring and distributing organic materials to different machines or locations. It has a powerful engine, a hydraulic system, and a conveyor belt that can feed up to 50 cubic meters of material per hour. It also has a user-friendly control system that provides easy and precise operation, and a safety system that protects the operator and the machine. This machine can be used for various feeding purposes, such as road construction, maintenance, and landscaping. It is a fast and efficient machine that can feed anything. Grimm GA6 Eco is a 6-row ridging hiller that can build large volume ridges and control weeds mechanically. It can work in row widths from 75 to 91.4 centimeter. It has a guided cutting knife element with metallic blades, a single row shaper, and a mounting frame extension. It can also be equipped with Terra Protect, a diking system that prevents soil erosion. AdBot 2.055 is a smart autonomous machine for orchards and beyond. It has a 3-wheel design for even and soil-preserving rollover and a 75 horsepower Deutz diesel engine. It can perform tasks such as crop care, flail mowing, and spraying with sensor-controlled rate controller and VRA. It has a 360-degree stability without specific operations on the truck frame and a communications module for bidirectional data transfer and RTK correction. The Allied Gator MTR20C. This is a multi-tool attachment that can perform various functions such as shearing, cracking, crushing, and pulverizing. It is designed for excavators with weights of 18 to 25 tons. It has a patented MT Series multi-tool design that allows the user to change the jaw set in less than 15 minutes without any special tools or additional hydraulics. The MTR20C can be equipped with different jaw sets, such as the shear jaw set, the cracker jaw set, the densifier jaw set, and the pulverizer jaw set. ASALIFT Combi 1010E is a tractor-mounted, single-row top lifter for vegetables such as carrots, parsnips, and celeriac. It has a loading elevator to the left side and a multifunctional use. It can perform top lifting, root cleaning, cutting, and picking in one operation. It has a PLC-based control system and a picking table with a width of 700 millimeter. Asterix Weed Robot is a solar-powered field robot that uses machine vision and ultra-precise